Also siyathemba ukuthi asikakuphazamise phela sikhiphe eParliament ngoba phela ama-issues siyathi maningi Nkosi yami umuntu omdala uyasebenza.
Empeleni wena Mcosi singemalunga eParliament vele siyakhuthazwa lokho ukuthi nakuvela emathuba eku-addressa bantu. Cha empeleni siwathathe. This is part of the mandate. Yeah, this is part of the mandate. Magama la njengabo mandate amcoka ngoba endungazi ukuthi kwa busy ngako lokhu serious.
To MP Thuthuka. Ngivile ukuthi you've gotten feedback, especially from prominent MPs, from MPs in general in the kingdom. Bengifise kuva kulama community members, lama citizens. Are they coming to you to share something, especially about what you are doing? Issues we are talking about.
I do get people that I meet, you know, sometimes
What are they saying?
Sometimes this thing, you understand how tough it is because I don't know whether I'll say it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, but you know, there's people that actually end up believing that, no, man, because asbati bongebo MP give me that kind of, treatment. And sometimes vele kuba hard because you have to tell this person that, you know, actually this is comment, you know, labanye bayakubhalela bakuthuke lapha. Bakuthuke mbamba, like it's serious, like little serious, bakuthuke mbamba bakubhalela. Sometimes it's my comments.
How do you deal with that?
I don't deal with it. It just means that I'm good at what I do. Shorty, by a believer. Shorty, I have played out the character so well that someone believes the actual character.
Welcome to another edition of Times Talk podcast, and today we are all about the juiciest, the hottest, you know, the country's most, I won't say bubbling under, you know. I've got this important guest here today. The man doesn't need an introduction, but as Times of Eswatini, we have to honor him and honor his work, especially in our communities. It may look small to others, but what he's doing is very big and has already exposed a lot of things in our society. So today, I'm happy to announce that we have your favorite MP we country, MP development, known as MP Thuthuka. Others know him as a comedian, as an MC, by the name of Mdura. But today we have MP Thuthuka in the house. MP Thuthuka, sir.
My brother Mko.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, my brother. I'm okay. I'm good. I like that you always say, people always say, yeah, no, this man needs no introduction. And then they go on to make a long introduction.
You know.
I'm good. Thanks for having me, man. It's a nice setup you guys have here. I check out the podcast. Yeah, so no, thanks for having me, Mko. Thanks for having me.
Also siyathemba ukuthi asikakuphazamise phela sikhiphe eParliament ngoba phela ama-issues siyathi maningi Nkosi yami umuntu omdala uyasebenza.
Empeleni wena Mcosi singemalunga eParliament vele siyakhuthazwa lokho ukuthi nakuvela emathuba eku-addressa bantu. Cha empeleni siwathathe. This is part of the mandate. Yeah, this is part of the mandate. Magama la njengabo mandate amcoka ngoba endungazi ukuthi kwa busy ngako lokhu serious. Actually, the way that we're supposed to look at it when I'm told is that I don't know if angathi politicians, people that serve people, kuyi mandate and kufanele ukuthi bathole emathuba from time to time, whether it's a weekly basis or a monthly basis, to avail themselves, because there's questions that we want to ask. Yeah, but I think it's time that we are able nje as communities ukuthi sikhone kubabuta ama questions bavela lapho bavela khona and speak about some of the things that they promised that they were going to do. Basinikete ama updates, because it's not everything that you start kuqaleke ngesikhathi kuphethe ngesikhathi, but you just need to give an update. Okay, kune project lengukuthi lesathi sifuna kuyicala and this is how far we've gone. Singabhaci nje the social media, there's radio, there's so many things.
Ngithanda le idea ukuthi ningabhaci ngoba mina in my line of work ngakujala okuningi abantu bayabhaca umgijimise ecingweni ugijimise kuphi yeah futhi naye masekakwati ngisho sibonana edolobheni uthi hayi nangiyakwehla Tebhisi but ngidawuthi ngiyofika lapha kule Tebhisi
abangashabalele yeah
so bheke angisambone yabo But nje, I'm interested, I'm also curious when I'm doing ukuthi maybe if you can tell us what inspired the character yakho ya MP Thuthuka kuyisebenzisa as part of comedy to tackle societal issues which we have in the kingdom that are affecting the people.
So thanks for that question. And this is a question that I get a lot. So, I mean, what I do as a comedian is I embody the different people in society. You know, as a comedian, you speak about so many issues in your comedy. And I do a lot of comedy skits where one day I'll play this guy. One day I like to get into the minds of people. I like to imagine ukuthi engabe umjida lo hlala esitolo ucabanga kanjani. You know, I like to that's maybe empathize. Yabo ngingene kumuntu ngu-imagine. It's something that is quite exciting for me. So I think I was just watching this clip this one time, and certain MP bekahlanyela sihlahla in that project that they were starting, because apparently ngathi tihlahla babala kokuthi after a time the project naso buya sihlahla sesingaka. I don't know, something like this. So I was checking this clip and I was like, yo, I need to do just one clip of a minister or an MP handing over a project to a board, but I want to exaggerate it for the comedic part of it, you know. I want to exaggerate it and have a journalist interviewing the minister or the MP. So we did that video of a bridge, which was literally the first video that we did. We did that video of a bridge, and I'll tell you the truth, we didn't realize what we had started. So from the comments and people that I was meeting, people were saying a lot of things, and I thought to myself, you know what, let's just keep going with this thing. It's like element of now we are touching that issue without realizing it. So that's how it started.
I would like to believe ukuthi tonke letinto lotibalako letinto, especially handing over projects, maybe my ideas lafike kuwe engqondweni lekuthiwa maybe one day sekuthiwa ungu-MP ungadenda in letinto leti Mtura, noma nawe singakufuna etincingweni ungasibambi phenze ukwate ukuthi sibhalile ube wena uthe no comment. So sitshele nje sebakufakile lapha ngeke yini bese uhamba nemavoto uyobhaca eParliament ubuya after 5 years soto sincenga ngetingo.
You know what I think it is, man. I honestly think that sometimes you get into something without really realizing how overwhelming it will get. I get a lot of people labangena into our profession, comedy, not because that's what they want to do, but because they like the idea of being a comedian, which are two different things. The idea looks grand, and the idea looks like it's always full of luxury, people following you around, people liking your stuff. But the actual thing is behind the scenes. There's so much work that has to go in. And for you to be able to commit to this thing consistently, you need to know why you are doing it. So I think for a lot of some people, bangena into this thing, at the end of the day, you become the father of the community. And now ngibaba utsino. And now ngibaba sihlale sekubuta ukuthi babe yini namhla silale ngendlala. Namhla babe usithembise ukuthi awubuya nesingo kwabuyi nesingo. So I think some of them just get naturally overwhelmed like any other person. You know, kuba na too many things going on at the same. Phela le mfo yayifunzele Mco. Bokhumbula sikuba nge-MP akufunzele. And ukuthi isikole sepolitiki. Uyabona ukuthi ngathi nje I went to study political what because I need to understand no naloyo uyangena bekaliphoyisa. Naloyo uyangena bekangithishela bekayini. The first maybe 2 years usa adapt. And then the next 3 years you are realizing that yes, I'm behind. You know, so sometimes you've got to feel for labo babela labo magela, but there's so much going on at the same time. Ukabona phela at the end of the day basebenzela abantu ababo. Uyabona. So ubambela ukuthi yes ngiyafuna kusebenzela community 100%, but at the same time I'm still learning on this job. And 5 years is not a long time, by the way. It's not a long time.
Yeah, I mean, I will say maybe there's a slim chance ukuthi ngaba ngulo long time. I believe nje ukuthi mina nje ngithatha ngifake eParliament. I think the 1 year lo mnyaka wekuqala Mtu mangakhe ma salaries lingabe ngiwathule in 1 year. Labukene nami kuphela.
Yeah.
How many opportunities, how many people will I meet mangiseselapha le but our city community I'm ukuthi
but then again, like ngishito from the beginning, akusiye wonke umuntu loya lapha anayo le expectation yokuthi this is how this thing may turn out. Bakhona, some of them baya thrive, abasinabafika lapho khanze ukuthi bekana le strategy, bekana le game plan. Asinakangena athi year 1 this is what I want to do. Achieve lokunye ngaka-achieve abuyele year 2 athi okay what I didn't achieve ngashawa yini kona kunganongishaya futhi this year azame ukukuphusha lo muntu bekana le game plan uyabo bekacala kuya yes but some people are strategic thinkers nje naturally. Some people abaphiwanga nale ngqondo ukuthi bakhona uku-strategize kahle. They need good strategists around them. So I mean I think it's all about a good preparation and being loyal and committed to the actual 5-year plan yakho. Otherwise akameli ukuthi kubashaya.
So we'll say as an MP go there with the plan of 5 years.
I think they do go there with the plan, but I think it's just going there knowing ukuthi there are people around you helping you. It cannot be a one-man job. Kanti uthi ucopho ucabanga lokunye nendvuna nayicabanga lokunye ne-community ifuna lokunye nawe netinjongo letinye letihlukile ukhanze ukuthi at the end of the day that misalignment of objectives seyanishaya uyabona.
Yeah, you touched on a very important genre mawusabeka leli point lakho comedy. I know ukuthi khona nabanye even younger upcoming poets who wish kufika la ufike khona nje wena. So for my next question I would like you to use your experience ungichazele ukuthi na ubuka wena comedy singayisebenzisa kanjani vele ku-scrutinize these issues noma ku-bringa up these issues, expose these challenges that are arising kuma-communities zethu. Like wena what you are doing, I know ukuthi khona bo-MP ngeke sikhombe tandla khona bo-MP bangafunza from what you are doing, the importance of reporting back consistently. Hayi ukuthi u-reporter back just because sekusele maybe 3 months ukuthi phindze kubile kuyovotwa so yethu tosincenga ngetingubo lapha nani nani.
Ngisho kungakahambi kahle. Because it's not all the projects. Lokunye nje uyasho ukuthi sekuzamile lokhu njengoba nibona kwendeke kanjena akukahambi kahle but ngesiphelelwe ngamandla sitawuphindze sibile because it's not everything phela nabo abasibo uNkulunkulu ukuthi bathenza into ivele ibe successful uyabo. But nala ngisho kungakahambi kahle buya phela usho ukuthi okay this project is taking longer than it should. Senithembisile sathi 1 2 3 but okay ke manje nasithi siyabuka lana akuhambi kahle sitawubuka ukuthi siyilungisa kanjani nani phela ni community buyani nifake input because even the community nayo nawubuka we are also ngidawutsini now HR udla ngalabantu labalamsebentini the human resource nathi ngikose basitshela human capital what because labantu labasebenza ko bayi capital kwasabona. So nathi le kuma communities singiyo le capital ukuthi nasifake that opinion ukuthi yathi ngivungaza ukuthi sishawe ngiloku man because ngithi leli sihlala lana you take that into consideration and ukhanze ama solutions akho within the people.
Ngivakala Mtula because lento lengenda ngibude ngale comedy Mtula. I think sometimes as a country we sifuna focus kule tinto takudzala ukuthi hayi this strategy, this all strategy can still work. But le tinto letikhona nyalo especially art kunabo music they play a bigger role kuhila abantu and all that. So maybe for now can you also share MP Thuthuka one of your memorable moments where MP Thuthuka's message resonated with the audience?
Okay, I don't know if I could have just one specific one, but I've had interactions with some MPs, you know, informally, because you are at an event and you see an MP, and then because you know what, we could actually work together, collaborate, and ride on the already established, you know, I'm trying to find the right word. The already established rapport, you would say, okay, when you are able to come out like this and actually touch on actual issues, actually some of these issues you touch on are things that I am currently working on. I think that we are currently working on. So if singahlangana and shine a light, you know what, actually, some of these things vele siyatenda because now people take you as that honorable, what, MP, what. But at the end of the day, the honest truth is, I am not an MP. But now I'm just someone watching from the sidelines and imagining if some of these things could appear like this, but obviously with a little bit of satire. So I think that for me was a good moment to say, this is not only just comedy, but it's shining a light on actual things that tendeka. Because some of these things that I bring up are things that I pick up from i-constituency lengukuthi ngubonile lokwendeka, you know, then I play around it, ngubonile lokwakwendeka, timbo temabhola sitibonile, you know, sometimes overpromise, underdeliver, you know, sometimes now you are using words to try and explain things and get out of a situation. So I wouldn't say it's one specific issue, but I would just say this whole thing, some MPs now are getting on social media and they are getting positive reviews because at least the people can see. Mina bekungangijabulisa ukuthi ngibone bo MP banema social media pages, even if they don't run them, run somebody else lo ngakhona ukuthi athi yes yena ubhizi ngemisebenzi yenu but siya update manje ukuthi 1 2 3 4 5 is happening.
Okay. So when looking lama issues in the different constituencies, kuleti nkundla nje letahlukahlukene Mtura, how do you balance humor with seriousness when addressing these sensitive issues? Kulama communities sike sikubona udonate sometimes MP Thuthuka kuthi uyodonate ticathulo in ubalansisa njani lapho le humor nale seriousness?
To be honest with you, most of the work that I do, the actual work I do as an individual, I believe that every single human being has got a responsibility to inzawula kahlala kiyo, but you must always make the grass around you green utokhona kuhlala phela now. So my biggest belief, because I'm not a politician, I'm not accounting to anybody but myself when it comes to issues of maybe charity. What I do in terms of donate in my own private time, all the other stuff that I do on camera, I will tell the truth. That is just me being the character. It's just me being a character. It's an extension of the character. When I actually do something, because it's not part of the work that I do. My work is to entertain. My work is to bring up things through entertainment. So I balance humor and seriousness because all life is, you know, humor is just part of dealing with the situations. Meeting and issues like serious, somebody comes with a joke. But you are able to deal with, you know, those serious things while at the same time getting my dopamine levels going up. So I don't know if that answers the question.
I think it does, Mtura. Speaking kulenza by bantu lebashutako, can you take us to your team? How many people are you working with here, Mtura? And what are the challenges? Because we know we would say akone challenges like comedy and yini into longathanza wena ukuthi tibe addressed kule genre comedy.
I'll tell you the truth. I work with anyone that is available. I wouldn't say that I have a team. This is who I work with. I think now, if you can follow some of the videos I do, you see different faces all the time. You know, sometimes as some of the people that play in the videos, I play with my sisters. All of those ladies you see, they are my sisters. And then from time to time, I will play with, I'll have Cedric. He's also a comedian. I work with him a lot in terms of the script writing, some of these things. And when it comes to the behind the scenes, editing and what, I do some of the work, the editing part of things. So somebody else, we are shorter. So I'd say give and take on a normal basis, maybe a team of 3-4 people at the same time. But see, about interchange depending on availability. Because full time, you see, I work with him, Dora. But I think as the vision grows, we will definitely get there.
You also direct these videos?
I write, I direct, I produce, I edit.
ayi-4-in-1 mos vele
I think
MP
nakusebenzisa
nabakufaka eParliament man
No, I think inkinga seParliament. You brought this thing. Actually, you brought this issue earlier, and I didn't answer it because I think I started digressing to other issues. Lenzaba ukuthi okay Mtula wena mawunga eParliament again. Uyabona?
ungatenda in the
Ungatenda in the tintfo. I've gotten this question before because some people assume I want to go to Parliament. Here's my answer to all of this. I am a big believer in trying out everything. I don't know what I'll wake up and do tomorrow. I never even had a dream ukuthi one day ngizoba comedian mina. Uyabona? Ungathuka nangaphela ukuthi where did I think I was going to end up professionally? But you wake up today and you feel like ati ngicabanga kuhlanyela bhatata. Ufake bhatata ubone bhatata uyakuvuma. Ubone bhatata uyaluthengise nemacembu. Uthi uthengise emacembu uve hayi man uvungazi usina ngingafitsama nabo lokwatsha. So I can never honestly 100% say yeah ngifuna ke eParliament, yeah angifuni ke eParliament. As long as I'm enjoying what I'm doing and it serves the next person, I will do it. But I absolutely love what I'm doing now. And I'm 100% enjoying what I'm doing now.
Yeah. Okay, now that you have touched on the issue, we would say, Mausakala, you didn't know. Kahle vele nje, how long has it been in the industry?
This year, 10 years, full time, doing comedy. 100% comedy and nothing on the side. It's 10 years.
It's 10 years?
Yeah, it's 10 years.
So is it better now, maybe below 10 years, compare them with the first 3 years, compare the last 3 years of the 10 years now with the first 3 years?
I will definitely say that we do have an industry now. When I started, I cannot say that an industry was established. We did have comedians, you know, you have the likes of Bo Kedlembane, who is a legend, who's been there, I think, ever since I was in school. I don't know, primary or high school, but it was established that we do have comedians in the country. But I cannot, Bekunabo Kiani, Msibi, he was in the industry. There's a guy that I looked up to called him Former Zia, who was doing a lot of corporates as an MC, as a comedian, but part-time as Msebendini. And I looked at these guys and I said, they are making it happen. But lebe site kona ku established kahle ukuthi okay naso uthi uyayenda lento usuka apho ubheka kuphi vuka wendani namuhla from Monday to Sunday. We did not have an established industry. But namuhla ngingasho kuwe nangathi ufuna kuba comedian ukuthi ngingasho ukuthi ungabheka lena ubheke lena ungenda kanjena. This is how you can place it. And also now there's social media. And with social media, you don't need to wait for someone to call you on TV. You don't need someone to call you and say, jump on stage and do a 10-minute set. But nyalo ungakhona ukuthi ungene on social media and make your money. So ngingasho ukuthi it has actually improved in terms of how many opportunities are available for comedians, and in terms of ukuthi comedians can actually make a living out of it and actually say, no, I'm a comedian. That's what I do. I'm a comedian, but ngiphinza futhi ngisebente kuphi. So ngingasho ukuthi in the last couple of years, it has improved immensely.
Yes. Also into lenye lengivanga ngazuthi imcoka Mtula lengifisa kiva kuwe indzaba ye-copyright. I hope you are aware now ukuthi sesinabo eSwatini Copyright and Neighboring Rights Society.
Oh yes.
Nakhona ngabayanibita kulamalanga ukuthi niregister. Wena as a seasoned comedian, how do you think lokhu kutani benefit like umsebenzi wenu ukuthi abe protected and now you'll also get paid for your work under this new act?
I think that's a brilliant question because ikhona le issue ukuthi we will ndakubekisela nje there's that issue of kwaba ne trend lekhona lebe endwa bogogo nasilwane uyabona, and it was huge and everyone was playing around with this and this and that,
and people made money.
We understand. And bese konke issue ukuthi hey ngabe mine this being my intellectual property, because inginga intellect ukuthi that is all it is, it's intellect. Kuba into lengeke ibe tangible uyibambe uthi ke no mina ngithi kwami ngoba naku ngakwakha anyone else can go and take this thing and use it to make money. So it's quite exciting that now we are able to actually go and register our things and own our things, copyrighted the trademark, and actually own it, so that no, you cannot make money out of this without asking for my permission. So it's actually great times. Something else to add, ekuthenini the industry is now improving. I-comment ke is strange, ayifana nengoma ukuthi ingoma leya ingoma yasense, uyabona, yayi kaSamro vele siyathi yasense, so I cannot reproduce. Or with comedy kugcina sekulukhuni lokwathi ukuthi ngubani actually lolo waqala lo, uyabo. So those are some of the things that we need to still try and work around, especially if you're going to record that material. Keep the material. If it's an album, because nama comedians ayaba nema albums. If you're taking out an hour or so, no, this is actually mine. You cannot take that clip and use it for something else. So I think these are things that Nasi Safuna Klala passes workshop on how our industry can actually end up owner the work that we do.
Yeah. Asesingene kuma-jokes ke Mdura. Lo mangisafunza e-university ngeke ngafunza na the late Smalls. Besihleli nje afundisa lecturer silemva lena manje sesidikhanza siyacoca yabo kancane. Angitshela indzaba ukuthi sometimes nehamba nekuma shows ukhanze ukuthi bothi fahla phela nemngane wakhona lo comedian ema-jokes akho. Nawe sekufika yena kucala stage, so washare onke la akho ema-jokes. Uke wafika yena na situation lenjalo and wayeca njani umfu lapho khona afika sho onke la akho ema-jokes nawe lobo umgodla wakho phela uthi hayi ngafike ngithululele ukubahleke bantwana ngiphume ngihambe babhadale baphathe imali.
Yeah, no, Smalls are great comedian. May he keep resting. I remember there's one day where I think we were coming from Alliance. Switch was recording an album, so Babin was performer corner, right? And I remember after that show, I think it was 2015, August, after the show, we decided to sambe kanye and safike nje yabona sapala material yabona. He was always excited about writing material what because Smalls was a performer, and I was always excited about writing. I've always loved putting ideas down and then seeing them work. I remember nje ukuthi khona ama-jokes lebesicoca ngawo that day sacoca ngawo, and I saw him perform them at some point, which was quite nice. I've never though experienced a point lapho khona a comedian sicoca naye ema-jokes ngisho le joke ukuthi kanje, because ama-jokes are personalized. They are speaking about my actual experience. I'll say something like the way my father raised me, beka kanje. I don't think boba bebet bangafana ncamashi, but abakhona lama overlaps, I guess, in some of the things. But comedy, there's this thing called the premise. Ungayicopy premise yemuntu, ungayicopy punchline yemuntu, ungayicopy joke yemuntu, ungayicopy the idea and execute it different. So kunema thin lines ka comedy. I'll be honest with you. There are thin lines. I can make a joke about, that one time I went on a podcast. And then ukanze ukuthi uke waya nabani podcast. We do call it joke stealing. If now that I've come up with that idea and now you come up with the same idea and then you start telling your own story. Kunema thin lines kakhulu ka comedy. But uyubone nawe when someone has stolen your material. Me personally, I've never had that experience of feeling like someone has clipped my stuff. And needless to say, I've never felt the need to take someone else's material because there's no need.
Okay, coming to bookings, would you say ukuthi lama bookings ala comedy, especially la vena ayafana nalawa aku music? Because mina njengomuntu lo notice, I think for a long time, especially like music, on the lineups we have this one and the same DJs, The younger ones who are upcoming, they do not get the chance lengulu letholwa ngilabanye. We can go 5 years back, isibite onke lama poster, we can see. So would you say ukuthi ama-comedians in the country are getting the recognition they deserve during shows? Ubale nalabo staff party because nyalo kutanana ngeDecember.
You know what? I mean, I would say that at the end of the day, it's ngilendlela nawe ungumuntu lovela ngayo, uyabona. Nobody has an obligation to book someone, right? So that is where bo marketing abo collaboration come in. Kungendeka ukuthi wende umsebenzi lomuhle loncomekako lothandzekako but ukhanze awubonakali. Kungendeka futhi wende umsebenzi lomuhle lobona lothandzekako futhi lobonakalako but ukhanze si awu-align, you know, with some of the values of that institution lengafuna ukubhuka, you understand. Kungendeka futhi ukuthi wende umsebenzi lomuhle loncomekako lobonakalako lo alignako ne-institution ukhanze kokuthi nangabe nje ngiyabekisa it's a comedy show and isidinga ukubhuka. The other thing will be, are you going to bring the people? Should we bring someone that brings the people or should we bring someone that is funny? Siyaqala ke indaba ukuthi phela at the end of the day we are not just entertaining, uyabo. Nami nje usinaka ngibhuka lo ngibhukako angibhukele only just one thing. Abakubhuki abantu because bayagrewarda, bakubhuka because bayakudzinga. So you need to find a way to put yourself in that position ukuthi udzingeke. Mina ngihlale ngiyibuka kanjalo ukuthi ngiyadzingeka yini lapha. Angeke nje ngihlale ngithi abasangibhuke kulamalanga ngizohlala ngikwethi ngabe yini bangangibhuke kulamalanga. Shots abangidzingi. Ngabe yini lento asibangangidzingi. It's because bo MC nyalo uyabona mhlambe
sebafaka tinzamba,
mina ngufake mhlambe lokhu ngiphoka ukuthi mina ngeke ngufake lokhu, uyabona. And base shots as something imdura because imdura is only just bringing a one dimensional aspect of the event. Labanye bo MC batakutshela ukuthi mhlambe lo MC lona ufunzele i-events and what and what. So nakafika kule event is not only just an MC, shots uyadzingeka. So I mean, I would say that as a performer kufuna ubuke lokho ukuthi awudzingekileni kulento lofuna wena kudzingeka kiyo bese sowulungisa lokuthi utende udzingeke. You can always find a way around that.
Okay. So my other question Mdura will be like, retire in comedian?
It depends. It really
and
depends.
Are you planning to retire?
It really depends. Kuku comedian. I'll make you an example of Steve Harvey. He did his last show and he said, that's a finale. This is the last show I'm doing. And he retired from stand-up comedy. And then he got onto TV. He started doing more family-friendly shows, Family Feud and whatnot. There are reasons behind that. For example, there's a lot of touring when you start doing comedy. Mhlawumbe weva ungazuthi, you know what, now I need to focus on family and lokho kutangenda ukuthi at least family feud ngiyayishuta ngemalanga langa ukuthi ngilale ekhaya. But manje I'm 50 something years old, I need to be on the road for a month or two or what ngiva ngathi angiretire. It all depends. You can always retire from anything if you feel like no, mina nyalo I'm done. And also comedy I see it's not something like one-dimensional. There's stand-up comedy, there's comedy writing, there's doing acting in comedy, there's so many elements. Personally, as long as I'm enjoying comedy, as long as I still feel like I'm relevant, I've got something to offer in the space, I will continue.
What's your grand plan for retirement as Mdura? Stakubona yini ubanika labanye lithuba maybe having that stable in the future where you can sign your own comedians like a mini academy?
You know what? It's some of the things that I look at and I say, I envision something lefanana naleyo in terms of bringing others up. You know, when we got in, we got help. Good umvlo self-made. I'm a self-made millionaire. Ngiyamsaba self kakhulu. So it's always been one of my mandates as ngisebenta ukuthi I go up, I pull someone else up, you know. Liyanyuka lomnyu uyalehlisa le cash liqhamuke letulu lehlise livuleke ugibele na ufika letulu nawe ulehlise lendase lilandzele omunye kanjalo. So I do believe ukuthi nami isekhona irole lengayidlala in shaping and making sure ukuthi noma singayishiya i-industry and branch out to something else kumele ukuthi siyishiye sathi ukuthi the industry iyakhona ukuthi ibe yi-system letawuchubeka ibe ne-sustainability over a long time. It's one of the things that I envision. I still don't have the plan ukuthi it's an academy, it's a comedy club, ngema one-on-one mentoring sessions or in but one way or the other. It's things that I've always done. It's something that I'm passionate about that I would always do.
Okay. Okay, so going back to MP Thuthuka, ngivile ukuthi you've gotten feedback, especially from prominent MPs, from MPs in general in the kingdom. Bengifise kuva kulama community members, lama citizens. Are they coming to you to share something special about what you are doing? Issues we are talking about.
I do get people that I meet, you know, sometimes
What are they saying?
Sometimes this thing, you understand how tough it is, because I don't know whether I'll say it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, but you know, there's people that actually end up believing that, no man, because asibati bonke bo MP. Ngathi nje mina maybe ngibalele bo MP babe ngi5 kanze ukuthi asibati bonke ngeke babone so okay lona angathambela MP emgwaqweni atengcele ungamati, unless you work in that space ukuthi wena ukumedia mhlawumbe ungabati, but realistically asibati bonke. So I do get those people that give me that kind of treatment, and sometimes vele kuba hard, because you have to tell this person that, you know, actually this is comedy, you know, labanye bayabhala bakuthuke lapha bakuthuke mbamba, like it's serious, like little serious, bakuthuke mbamba bakubhale sometimes in my comments.
How do you deal with that?
I don't deal with it. It just means that I'm good at what I do. Shorty, baya believer. Shorty, I have played out the character so well that someone believes the actual character. Yeah, so I mean, I don't mind that if it's coming from the fact that I'm playing a character. And I'm like, oh, okay, no, shortly I delivered in this one.
Yeah.
I'm okay with
it.
Angisho ukuthi abathuke bo MP, but ukhanza ukuthi kuleyo skit lengisendile on that day, he has done something, the character ya Thuthuka, he has done something lengakwatisa, uyabona. Angene ke kunjalo nangabe vele in the public space forum utotithatha tinhlamba. Utotithatha kusho ukuthi kufanele utithatha, but itiyaba khona because bantu ba reacta ngetindlela letingafanani, you know. But asisho ukuthi bantu abethuke baholi babo. I'm just saying ukuthi lesinye isikhathi ukhanza ukuthi ngiyareceive lokho because maybe ngende skit lesihambelana na something that people do not approve, yabo. And yeah, I take that.
Okay. So maybe lastly, as advice, longayinika other comedians who are out there who are wondering what type of strategy they can use to get their name as a brand out there. Like, what's the right way one can take when he or she wants to take up a concept? Angisho silefana nayo, but nje something like lolo kwendako wena.
I'd say that industry yethu angathi kulamanye ama industries kuba kanjani, but in our industry there's no blueprint and nobody knows it all. Nobody can sit down and have a master class on how to do it. Yabo. Nangathi mina ngenda i-master class, ngingenda i-master class yokuthi mina kungendakalele kanjani. Ukhanze ukuthi the way that's happened for me kuwe kungendeka another way. Because ungamtshela lo munye uthi no, mina I feel like the idea will not work. Ukhanze ukuthi you are stopping them from doing something great because when you don't believe in the idea, it's a brilliant idea. When you are unfamiliar with the idea, I mean, what I can say is my instincts are they are never wrong. Especially when involve art. Art is gift, and involve gift is a higher power. And the higher power, if it sounds like weak advice, but the higher power it means you need to stay connected to the higher power. Nangabe higher power yako, you need to pray. God will give you direction. Mina nje kude ukuthi ngingathi nyalo I know ukuthi where to from here What to from here is really going out to try out everything.
Everything.
Some things will work, some things will not work. And that's where you learn. So I mean, I'd say if you have a phone, you feel like you want to shoot a skit, go and shoot that skit and post it. Nangabe so wrong, but akutembili. Uyabona? Nangabe you feel like when you want to stand in front of a congregation esonveni and do jokes for 5 minutes, hambo yome esonveni. Mina ngibelieve ukuthi use what you have where you are, however way you can. There is no one way. But ngathi nje mina, if you feel like you want to do comedy, usemakhaya, usedolobheni, noma ukuphi la ukhona khona kunebantu, i-comedy uyendela abantu, you perform for people. So wherever you are, kungaba sesontweni, kungaba semhlanganweni wemango, kungaba nguphi, just test out your material anywhere and everywhere where you can.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So from the comedians we have in the kingdom, especially the younger ones, maphi nje lo ngasho ukuthi usirecognize lo msebenzi wabo, maybe you adore the way they are pushing nema ideas longa washala phana lapha ngisho ukuthi batshele ukuthi yentani kanje but nje
that one is a little bit tricky because i-comedy njengoba ngishito ukuthi i-broad inala ukuthi khona nje lengitsina ngimbuka ngithi ku stand up comedy, you know, this one is coming up well. And asale ngiyibeka kanjalo. When it comes to stand-up comedy, I feel like Cedric is really coming along quite well. You know, he's putting up these monthly shows, and you know, I'm privileged because it's someone that I've watched closely since Angena Industry 2019. He's now doing his own shows. He's putting on other comedians, and I've seen comedians come through to his shows. He's opening up a platform. Other than just performing and hosting these shows, but he's opening up another platform for other comedians. And now he's growing in the art of stand-up comedy. Then there's Christian Dude. Christian Dude, I've seen him do stand-up comedy. I think quite recently was doing the Mount Zion Experience. And I watched his set. It was electric. I love his energy. I love his authenticity. I love his videos because I think he's also a brilliant actor. He's played a couple of roles. Mina ngiyamthanda umuntu lokhona ku switch ama characters, you know, khomba ukuthi une range. I think it's quite brilliant. Uyabona nangabe khona ukuthi ube i double threat ku comedy mina ndokuhlonipha. If you can get on stage and kill it, you know, and you can go online videos. I think Bobo Okonas have done that quite well. That balance. They get on stage, they will kill. They go online, you know the story, you understand. But yes, and then who else is I don't know if you want Labangati, they are still emerging. And I think I also like how both Darren and Bongiswa have mixed two different people on stage. Darren is a different kind of a comedian. Bongiswa is a one-liner. Punchlines in Bongiswa. But I think them coming together on stage has actually made their comedy even better. Their energy is electric. Then there's Pepe and Shorty, who are actually doing a lot of skits right now, and they're doing quite well on TikTok. I haven't seen them on stage. I don't know if they do stand-up comedy, but I've seen them on TikTok, and they're doing quite well. They are doing a different genre of comedy, and their numbers are growing quite brilliantly. And I'm trying to remember the others, but these are the guys that quite recently they are standing out. They are standing out for me in comedy. Oh, and then there's a guy, I don't know if you have seen him. There's a guy called Nzetselelo. He's done a couple of shows locally. Recently, he performed at Eswatini Comedy Festival. And by the way, shout out to Dr. Shakes. I think Dr. Shakes is now maturing into, you know, is a promoter and a festival director. He's also doing an international show. I think he's matured over the years. Nzetselelo is a brilliant comedian. He was based, I think, in the US, where he was at school, and he was hitting comedy clubs there. And now he's back in the country, and he's doing brilliantly. So yeah, I think ndaivala nje lapho ke.
Yeah.
Ndaivala lapho.
As a tail end, Mtura, who's your favorite international comedian? Like the one who inspires you, and why are they favorite yakho?
I think that one changes over time because comedy in time and space, you know, one moment of your career you are inspired by someone because uhamba la etinyatselweni takhe kuleyo period. Uyabona, I can never say it's just one guy. It's just quite there's a lady called Tenjiu, who has helped me so much in my career. Ever since we met almost, I think, maybe 8-9 years ago. What inspires me about her is her ability to open up the space to everyone. We just recently did a show called Tenjiwe Unplugged, and I saw her putting on a comedian called Tando Comedy, who is very big on social media, doing skits. But wafika wathi, Tando, why ungendi stand-up comedy? Pushed him in the right direction, and he did quite great in Durban, and he did quite great this side of the world. And you know, every time she travels, there's someone that she's putting on. You know, for someone to do that over a long period of time consistently, it's something that I will always respect. And then quite recently, there's a guy that who I watch a lot. It's called Nate Bakatz. The way that he delivers his material is out of this world. And then I used to look up to Eugene Koza. I liked his style of comedy very much, especially when I was still starting out. He was quite an honest comedian, the right energy. I just haven't seen him, you know, in the comedy spotlight in a while, doing my projects. I haven't seen him, but that's one guy that I used to look up to, you know, when I was starting out. And of course, I did mention him, Mfogolos Mazia. He is one guy. I don't know where he disappeared to, but I wish he could come back. So yeah, I think I'm leaving others out, but it's quite a number of people. Yeah, it's quite a number of comedians.
So there you have it. Akusiko leli ngikucabangako bonkosi. Besixoxa nje lesingahleli. Akusiko mbamba leli ngikucabangako. Kepha nje before sivale ngifuna kubonga appreciate you guys for checking our YouTube channel. Times of Eswatini, please subscribe, guys. Please comment, because the comments ngola tasita kusasa sibuye sifake ama hard questions la kuMtura. Before nje empilo omkhulu avalelise lana, angifuni nalokwenza kakhulu, angivele nje ngimnika avalelise.
All right, thank you so much. I feel like our 10 minutes went by so quickly. And
we should come back.
Yeah, definitely. I'm happy to come back and actually embody that other aspect that you want. I know what you want. But I'm just glad that you asked all the questions that I felt like, Nami, these are things that I wanted to talk about. Siyabonga kakhulu. Please do watch, subscribe, like, and share the podcast. Grow this platform. And do suggest, who do you want on the podcast? Because that's the only way that a podcast can grow. Subscribe, like, share, and just keep on watching all the episodes that come through. Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks so much,
Thank
Mr.
you so much. And all the best with the podcast.
Thanks a lot.
As I say, 100,000, so celebrate 100,000 subscribers. I will still be here.
Sembu tasinikelela ne-equipment.
Oh yes. Wow. Ngicanisela amakamera lawa lamabili ngawaletha. Bekulele sitawuphinda sinteteteliwe. Sitawulisa nestaff lesitawusebenza. Mahala bekulele sibhadalwe nge-MP. Siyabonga kakhulu. That's it. So the idea that I had was